Do one thing. Google Tulsi Giloy and you will see almost every major health-based brand selling this juice combo. Tulsi Giloy juice is a combination of the goodness of two Indian herbs, Tulsi and Giloy. Giloy, as you will know, is a very potent herb in Ayurveda. All the parts of Giloy are used as some form of medicine. That itself shows how wondrous this shrub really is. The name Giloy in Hindu mythology means the elixir to forever youth. Who will have a problem with that? Well, jokes apart, Giloy juice has a number of health benefits. It's used to cure jaundice, anorexia, skin problems, diarrhea, etc. It also has antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. So, it can be used to prevent infections. Plus, it has a positive effect on metabolism, which can help people who are at risk of cardiovascular problems because of high blood pressure. Tulsi, on the other hand, is a holy plant in Hinduism. The holy basil can help reduce the level of uric acid in the body. And because Tulsi is a diuretic, it can be used to detox the body as well. Tulsi is also a miracle herb when it comes to hair and skin. The combination of these two is surely a match made in heaven. Some of the benefits of Tulsi Giloy juice are, according to Ayurveda, it can boost the immunity, purify the blood, reduce inflammation in the body, help better manage respiratory problems like asthma, boost up the metabolism, and improve digestive health. These two herbs, Giloy and Tulsi, individually too pack a powerful punch. For example, did you know Tulsi plant could provide a positive health benefit to those suffering from stress and depression? Plus, since Tulsi is a great adaptogen, it is also good for those after workout pains or joint pains in older people, while Giloy doesn't just heal the body from within, but can also reduce the formation of wrinkles and reduce skin damage. It can also strengthen the hair, so in your hair and makeup credits, you can actually credit Giloy. In the market, there are a number of brands selling a combination of Tulsi extracts and Giloy juice, while you can also make it at home. If you are buying the market version, you just have to take 30 ml and put it in a glass of water and consume it on an empty stomach. Starting the day with this power-packed juice is sure to give you a number of health benefits and change your health game. If you like this video and want easier but effective health hacks, you can find more videos on this space.